Hey everyone, happy. It's Thursday today, but when you see this, it's probably Friday or Saturday. We don't know. But anyway, happy, whatever day it is. All right. So the last time I did a JoAnn scroll video, it was like JoAnn's is closing and everything. And you guys are like, Rochelle, what is going on with JoAnn's? It's been about a week and a half since the last time I did a JoAnn's scroll video. So I won't even say I was there. My husband was there over the weekend and he did some footage for me, just being nice. And I was like, you know what? It's kind of hard for me to kind of document and tell what I'm seeing without me actually being in the store. Yes, the footage is really good. However, I want to document and tell the story as I'm seeing it, if that makes sense. All right. So let's go ahead and go inside JoAnn so I can share with you guys the Nothing Held Back sale that's everywhere on the front of their storefront. All right. So let's go ahead and go now.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand.
JoAnn's Fabric is shutting down stores and the massive store closing signs are everywhere. But are these clearance deals actually worth it? Or is JoAnn's pulling a pricing trick on unsuspecting shoppers? So in this video, I'll take you inside the store to investigate three things. One, are the discounts real or just a hype? Two, are prices going up before actually being marked down? And three, should you shop now or wait for a deeper markdown? Now, before we get started, drop a comment below. Let me know, are you buying or are you holding out? Let's talk in the comment section below. Now, let's go ahead, go inside JoAnn, and let's get started. All right, first impression, huge signs everywhere saying 10% to 30% off. But honestly, is this really a deal? Because I remember when the sales were so much better, okay? Now, let's see. Here's the price tag in the shelf, okay? But wait, $12.99 for fabric that's usually $7.99 during a regular sale. Now, this clearance price isn't hidden away that they want us to think, right? So are they marking the prices up on purpose before actually marking them down? What's your take? Now look at this, 30% off patterns that are usually on sale for $1.99. Now, this isn't a freaking clearance sale, it's a pricing trick. You get to simplicity. Simplicity is still pretty much in the drawer there. The patterns are not gone as much as I thought that they were going to go when I showed you guys the $1.99 sale. So the patterns are still pretty much in the drawers right now for this store. Basically, what they want you to think is it's a sale by putting a 30% off sign. Now, I also looked in the pattern drawers and I noticed that Simplicity and McCall's are going fast. However, you look in the No Me patterns, it's not going as fast. You look in the Vogue patterns, it's not going as fast either. I think many are waiting until $1.99 or hopefully they do a 99-cent sale before these patterns go. Okay? Now, some things that are going flying off the shelf, and I have a complete video when I talked about 11 things you must buy now before it's gone at JoAnn's when they first was announced and was being auctioned. I said a couple of things that you may want to buy now for sure would be your thread, your bias tape, your needles. Those are flying off the shelf. And if you look at this freaking thread, there's really nothing left. So if you missed out on the needles, the threads, the bias tape, the zippers, the buttons, I'm sorry. You're just going to have to get them offline at this point. All right. Now, some things are actually literally selling out. I mentioned the notions and certain fabric, but for the most part, it looks like people aren't rushing in just yet. Y'all remember in that video when I was like, I am not going until I start seeing 50% off? This is what I'm talking about. Which brings me to the big question. Should you shop now or wait? I'll say wait. So here's my take on all of this. Right now, these deals aren't just really deals. They're not hitting. They're hitting very, very differently. Now, unless you're grabbing something that rarely goes on sale, it might be worth waiting. And when I say rarely go on sale, I'm talking about like your special occasion fabrics. I'm talking about some leather, some denim. Now, denim goes on sale for like 25% off. But if it's nothing more than that, keep that ish up on the shelf, okay? So historically, when stores like this are normally going out of business, the deeper discount don't hit until far later, like I said in my last video, normally a week before, when they're really trying to clear things out. Now, there was a post, a news channel, I can't think of which one it was. I think it was MSNBC or it could have been ABC Fox News. One thing I will mention is they did say that a lot of the distribution centers are sending items to stores to clear out their warehouses. I want to see how much of that's going to happen, so I'll be in and out of JOANN'S as much as possible to keep eyes on the prize. If you know, you know. So did you notice how the stores isn't as packed as you expected for a closing sale? Did you guys notice that when you guys went to JOANN? Let me know in the comment section below if you noticed that. And my suggestion is, or my thought would be, that's because smart shoppers like us aren't falling for these fake deals. You guys remember me talking about fake deals? This is what I was freaking talking about, that you may not see a lot of people in the stores because of these fake so-called discounts, okay? So, just to wrap it all up, JOANN's clearance might be more of a marketing trick than an actual deal, at least for right now. So if you're thinking of shopping, I'll say wait until prices actually drop, okay? So, you guys, I want to show you guys something really, really funny. Look at this. They want an extra 30% off. Come join our team to help clear out the store. All right, so I'm in JOANN's. Of course, it's not looking like a sale. It's looking like a rip-off. But let me tell you what I'm looking at. I'm currently in like the novelty fabrics right now. What is this fabric? This is a camo knit corduroy fabric. Super cute. I actually like that. But of course, we'll wait until it's about 50% off before I run and get it. I also seen this leopard print right here. This leopard print, super cute, by the way. I'm doing this with one hand. I don't have anyone to hold the GoPro. So this is it's a pop fabric. And this is a everyday juvenile fabric. I'll show you in just a second. But this is a 98% cotton and 2% spandex. I feel like this would be a good fabric for some pants. If I was doing some pants, that would be a good fabric. So I thought I'll share that. Let's look at some more fabrics.
Will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sunrise.
Drop a cart if you're waiting for deeper discounts, or drop a money sign if you think it's already worth shopping. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you want more updates on JOANN's closing, make sure you do 3 things. Like this video, comment below in the comment section, share with a friend who could be very helpful with this information, and do what's free, and that's subscribe. Until next time, stay blessed and keep sewing.